In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos and clicking on Photos or Library sections on the left. I will go with Photos. Now hold any picture that you wish to get rid of, and to select multiple right away, click on those type of icons at the top left corners. To keep some of them, tap on the chosen ones, and then to delete the rest, use bin icon at the top, next to the shopping cart on the right. Then hit Got It, and tap on Move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!